Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce you SBM S5X vibrating screen. Okay, here is the vibrating screen. Compared to the ordinary vibrating screen on the market, SBM S5X vibrating screen has the following advantages. Okay, first you can look at the structure. This S5X vibrating screen is with high strength screen box body, which is very durable. Look at the body. Actually, the whole board screen box has no spot welding, so all the connections are bolted by the high strength bolts. This bolt is with a strength of 900 ampere, so very strength. No risk of the body cracking. Maybe for other suppliers vibrating screen, it will get struck the main body, but this one no need to worry about at all. Okay, this is the first. And also the second advantage is, compared to other vibrating screen on the market, this vibrating screen, look at the structure. Okay, it uses the SV. It uses integrated SV vibrator. Here we can see the vibrator. This vibrator ensure the good performance of the whole vibrating screen body. Well, this screen box, the capacity is 350 tons power. It has 2 motors and 2 vibrators. Okay, this is the second advantage. Okay, the third one is this vibrating screen, compared to other ordinary vibrating screen, this one using the rubber spring. The ordinary vibrating screen maybe use the coil spring, steel spring. This one uses rubber spring, which is less noise and also less vibration. So this the rubber spring. Okay, which come here to check the other components of the vibrating screen. Okay, you may look at this one. This one we call this polyurethane pressing bars. This one is SBM special design. For the other suppliers vibrating screen, it may use a J-bolt connection, because after long working, this screen mesh will raising up, especially in the middle. This one will raising up. The purpose of this pressing bar of polyurethane is to make sure the screen mesh will connect with the base tightly to ensure the vibration efficiency and the separation efficiency. This is the polyurethane pressing bar. Well, this is the one compared to the ordinary J-bolt. This one can use in 6 months or even 8 months. Very durable. Okay, this is the polyurethane pressing bars. And this one, you may look at this one. This one we call this polyurethane support bar. Well, compared to other vibrating screen on the market, other vibrating screen on the market, it may using rubber ones, rubber nosing. Some other customers they call it rubber nosing, but SBM use the polyurethane one. For the rubber nosing, if that made by rubber, it may use only 1 month or even lesser time. But this polyurethane one, it may use also 6 months to 8 months, which ensure the efficiency of this whole unit. Okay, this is the polyurethane support bar, or you can call this nosing, polyurethane nosing. Okay, and this one, you may look at this one. This is we call this a rubber damper or rubber pad. And also here is at the tail of the vibrating screen. Also, you may look at the opening of the beginning of the vibrating screen. This is also with the at the top. Yeah, at the top. Also same design as here, rubber pad. The purpose of this one is when the material dumping into the vibrating screen, this rubber pad can have some cushion effect. So if no this rubber pad or rubber damper, the material will punch the vibrating screen, will punch the screen mesh. The screen mesh will be damaged quickly. But with this one, which can be more durable. And also with the protection of this rubber pad, this liner can use a longer time. Because this liner, if without some other supplier has no this rubber pad, so the material will always drop down. So this plate will wear out very fast. But with this rubber pad, it can change very easy and good maintenance. Okay. And then we can check this unit. This also unit is also the special design of SBM S5S vibrating screen. This one normally at the bottom layer of the screen mesh is 5 mm, but when during operation the 5 mm because it's very small, especially when the material is wet and also very small, it will block the mesh hole. But this one, for the first, it is steelless, and second, it is we got this diamond shaped anti-blocking. It's anti-blocking screens. You can see the ordinary. Maybe we can compare with this one. This one is a square hole, but this one is diamond shaped. So it's anti-blocking screen wear mesh. And at last, the biggest advantage of this vibrating screen is the G-force. Normally, the G-force is the index to evaluate the efficiency of the vibrating screen. So SBM S5X vibrating screen, the G-force can reach to 4.2, so which can compete with the Meso and or Sandvik, the first class in the world vibrating screen. Okay, this is the whole introduction of the vibrating screen of SBM steel vibrating screen. And another advantage of this vibrating screen is you can see those two the space between the first deck and the second deck, and the second deck from the bottom deck there is a rubber pad, rubber pad. The purpose of the rubber pad is, for one thing, if the processing is dry, it can avoid the dust, because if it's dry, no washing, too much dust. So this one for dust control, for one purpose. Second purpose is when the vibrating screen is working, so the material will dumping in, so the material will spread on the screen box. So this one to avoid the material going out to hurt the workers outside the unit. So this is the purpose of this rubber pad. From that one, that vibrating screen with a modular steel structure. With modular steel structure, this is structure support and also the ladders and the guardrail. This is easy to disassemble and also easy to remove location of the whole vibrating screen. Okay, that's all. Thank you.